This creamy chocolate dessert is perfect for your weekend, and it is quick and easy to make with just a few simple ingredients. Add 2 cartons of cream and 2 cartons of sweetened condensed milk to a blender. Then add 1 cup of cocoa powder and 2 cups of milk and blend for 2 minutes until smooth. In a bowl, dissolve unflavored gelatin in water, heat briefly, and add it to the blender, then blend again until well combined. Pour the mixture into a lightly oiled mold and refrigerate for 3 hours until firm. Unmold, slice, and serve a rich, silky chocolate pudding that everyone will love. This dessert is perfect for busy days and always gets compliments. Would you give this easy chocolate pudding a try today?